హలో హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, నేను మునీలిమా. వెల్కమ్ టు ఏఎంపీఎం టాక్ షో. మరి ఈ రోజు నేను ఒక పర్సన్ని పరిచయం చేయబోతున్నానండి. సో మరి తన గురించి చెప్పాలంటే షీఈ్ అ సోలో ట్రావెలర్. హర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ సింధు. సో మరి జనరల్గా ట్రావెలింగ్ అలోన్గా చేయాలంటేనే చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్. సో అలాంటిది ఒక గర్ల్ అయ్యింది తన సోలో ట్రావెలింగ్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఒకసారి ఆ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి ఇప్పుడు మనం అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ సింధు, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Yeah, hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So can you tell your full name? Is it Sindhu or anything?
Sindhu only. Sindhu. My dad name is Chandrasekhar, so Sindhu Chandrasekhar.
Okay. So and what's your native place?
I'm basically from Pudukkottai, nearby Tanjavur,
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Okay. So but you seems like not actually.
No, I'm seems like Indian.
Acha. That's a great answer. So okay, what about your parents?
Actually, I don't know father. My
Okay.
mom only. My
Okay.
mom is a homemaker. I have
Okay.
one younger sister and younger brother.
Okay.
That's
So okay, so why you like traveling?
Actually, first I started my travel just for fun only.
For fun,
Yeah,
okay.
for fun only. Because when I'm not doing, before that I didn't do any travel. Just
Okay.
a tour only. Tour is different, travel is different,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So I used to do tour with friends. So
Okay.
I love roaming places and exploring like that.
Okay. So
But-
what's your first place?
First place like solo travel you are
No,
asking?
no. With group traveling.
With group travel.
Yeah.
Munnar,
Okay.
Kerala.
Okay. So what's your first traveling with a solo traveling?
Yeah, actually last around 3 years I was doing
Okay.
tour with the friends only
Okay.
around Tamil Nadu and Kerala. I didn't cross the borders actually.
Okay.
So first time I'm thinking of to start a solo travel.
Okay.
Then first if we think anything, first we have to say to the parents only, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I told my mom, I'm thinking of going solo travel.
Okay. So did they
Immediately.
support to you?
No. Obviously no one alone.
Yeah.
So first she said, no, you are a girl, you
Huh.
can't do that.
Huh.
No, if your brother ask, I will allow. If you are asking, no, I can't allow.
Actually,
She
that's a
said
society
literally-
rule.
Yeah, exactly. Literally she said like that. I felt very bad and okay, first I said okay. Then after that I just shared with my friends, my
Okay.
closed circle, okay.
Okay.
They also said like they started laughing. I said I'm
Why?
going to start solo travel all over India.
Okay.
Simply I said like that.
Yeah.
They started laughing and they asking me, dude, seriously, you are a girl, you can't go alone. You can't travel alone. Even you are saying, first I said I am going for 100 days.
Okay.
They said, have you travel alone anywhere?
Okay.
Yeah, that's true. I never been alone like
Yes.
anywhere. Okay,
Yes.
that is my first solo travel. So
Okay.
they started kidding me like, you are a girl, you don't know any language. I know Tamil only
Okay.
and little English.
Okay.
And they said if you are going towards north or any place, you have to know some languages.
Yes.
That is must.
Yes.
And second thing, there is no safety in our country. And last thing, you don't have money.
Okay.
So these things they started saying these things and they started laughing and they are starting kidding me.
So they started criticizing you.
Exactly.
Okay.
So,
So at that time, how you feel?
I felt very bad and I started
Yeah.
crying.
Acha.
The
Okay.
whole night I was thinking like, why can I cannot do like.
Yeah. Even being a girl, even I can't do that. So how you went there?
Yeah. Then I just want to know like about my capacity. Like I should start. No need to do like 100 days. At least
Okay.
I have to start. Then I know my capacity. How much I can manage. Like 10 days or 20 days like that.
Okay.
So I want to know more about myself. So how much
Okay.
I can.
Yes.
So I started to again. I'm going to my mom and I started saying, Mom, Amma, I love travel, but I want to do like this because everywhere I'm going like group. Something I like, but the group says no, come, we'll go that place like that. They are saying so. I'm
Okay.
not satisfied with the group travel.
Okay.
I just explained everything. Somehow she feel okay. Then she agreed with half minded only.
Okay.
Then she said, okay, whenever you feel not okay, then you have to come back.
Okay.
Then I said, okay, promise. Anyway, I know I can manage up to 15 days.
Okay.
So in 15 days I will come back.
Okay.
Then I started, but in first day to send off also, no one is coming with me. No
Okay.
one was coming with me.
So no
actually.
one supported
No
to
one,
you.
yeah.
Even your parents?
I settled in Chennai. My
Okay.
mom is in my native.
Okay,
So
okay.
my mom said, okay, my mom said don't go only, but in the last time, last minute I called her and mom, I started. She said, okay,
Okay.
whatever you do it properly.
So anyways, she
She
supported
supported.
you. Yeah.
She started supported in half mind. That's it.
Okay.
Even my friends also, they didn't come with me to send off.
Okay.
When the first train, I was standing in front of the railway station for
Okay.
half an hour. Should I
Acha.
go or not?
Okay.
Like that, I was standing in front of the railway station for half an hour.
Hmm.
Then okay, I was thinking, okay, we'll go. Then I went inside. The funny thing is, the worst thing is, the first
Okay.
day I missed the train.
Acha. Okay.
Really, actually, the thing is,
Hmm.
I booked a train around 2050. 2050 means 8:50.
Yes.
I know that is 8:50,
Huh.
but somehow like I feel something like more how to say, like something like bad or happy, whatever it is, but I feel in that how to say in English,
What?
that excitement. Yeah,
Okay,
in
okay.
that excitement I felt I was sitting in front of the train,
Okay.
but I was thinking, okay, 10:50 only our train, no
Okay.
problem, we can sit more time.
10:50. Okay.
I thought it's 10:50.
Okay.
But I know it's 8:50. But
Okay.
somehow I missed the train.
Okay.
Then first day I missed the train, and again I was thinking to go back to home, but suddenly I thought,
Again,
okay,
you're in confusion.
yeah, confusion.
Okay.
Then I thinking of going, okay, we'll try bus. Then
Okay.
I checked in bus. I
Okay.
got one bus. I booked
Okay.
it.
Okay.
I sent money, but I didn't go.
Acha.
Showing error.
Okay.
Then I cancelled it. Then I'm sitting in the railway station for 5 to 10 minutes. I
So
was
all
thinking-
seems like it's bad sign, right?
Then I was thinking, should I
Huh.
continue or not?
Okay.
Then suddenly I got one call. Then
Acha.
the red bus only calling, the bus operator only calling me.
Okay.
Ma'am, you blocked one ticket,
Huh.
but you didn't pay. You can pay. You come directly. You can pay.
Okay.
Then I said, okay. Then I will come. I will come, bro. You just stop, please. Then
Okay.
they said, okay, we will be here for a half an hour. You come fast.
Okay.
Then I started. I booked the Uber bike and
Okay.
I went there. But the thing is, again, the problem is the bus left.
Acha. Wow. What
Again
are
the
these
bus
signs
left, yeah.
actually? Huh?
Then I started crying. The Uber driver asked me, what is the problem, why are you crying, ma?
Huh.
I said, no, I can't do solo travel. I know I can't do solo travel. I said
You
like
cried
that
at that
only.
time?
Yeah.
Okay.
He didn't understand. He got confused and what you are talking about, my any problem. I missed the bus now. Anna. So if I catch the bus only, I can go.
Yeah.
I will try. I will help you to catch the bus.
Okay.
Then he started going
Again.
very fast. Yeah, he started driving and he just overtake the bus.
Okay.
And he stopped the bus and I took the bus. That is my first day experience.
Okay.
If you start today, you will be like inspiration for many girls.
Yes.
Don't give up.
Yes.
If you want to go back to home, no problem. It's your choice. You will be
Yes.
like a normal girl.
Huh.
He said to me. Then that time I think, okay, we'll try again.
Okay.
Then I started towards Karnataka. I explored. I started from Kerala,
Okay.
Karnataka, Maharashtra,
Acha.
Gujarat,
Yes.
MP, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan,
Okay.
Punjab, and Haryana, Jammu Kashmir,
Hmm.
Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand.
So
I
total you
finished.
have covered 12 states.
Yeah.
So okay, how was that experience?
Yeah, it was good because I used to stay with local people only because I'm a
Okay.
budget backpacker. I spend only 14,000 in my travel for
Okay.
100 days.
So for those 12 states, you spend only 10,000.
Yeah, 14,000.
So how is it possible actually?
Yeah, it's possible actually. For budget backpacking, it is possible because I'm using, there is one platform called Couchsurfing.
Okay.
That platform, it will connect travelers and local people. It will
Okay.
connect. That is a platform like Couchsurfing.
Okay.
So I'm using Couchsurfing for all places.
Okay.
Maximum I'm using Couchsurfing.
Hmm.
And I used to stay in hostels.
Okay.
But in hostels also I don't pay. I'm using my skills. Like I'm
Skills.
doing volunteer work for them.
Okay.
And I'm staying for free.
So what type of works actually?
Like I know I'm a abacus teacher.
Okay.
So sometimes like in Couchsurfing I'm using that skill.
Okay.
I know gardening. Basically
Okay.
I'm a gardener.
Okay.
So like if for example if in Agra I stayed in one hostel. Okay.
Okay.
There I stayed for first I went I paid for half amount for 1 day. I
Okay.
said in 2 days I'll give balance amount.
Okay.
He said okay.
Okay.
Then I entered. After that, I just checked everywhere. There is no plant. Then
Okay.
I went to him. Then I said, if you keep here plant, it will be nice. If you
Okay.
this space is very empty, you can keep some plant. It will
Okay.
be more attraction. You will get nice air here.
So you gave some suggestions.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like I'm making opportunity there.
Yeah.
So I'm using my skills. Like I
Okay.
used to do like gardening work also in hostels. I know South Indian cooking very well. So
Okay.
in hostels also I used to say like I know cooking very well. If your guest asking any about South Indian cooking,
Okay.
I can help
You'll
in
cook.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
I can cook for more than 50 people.
How you are getting all those ideas?
Because when I start my travel, first 15 days it was very difficult. After that I started meeting some travelers. I started talking with people.
Okay.
So in that only I'm getting knowledge about this. Okay, we
Okay.
can use the skills.
Yeah.
We can use the skills and staying for free.
Okay.
Getting stuff free.
Yeah.
For using
The first, what's your first date experience?
Kerala is my first date. Obviously,
Okay.
almost before that I had been many times in Kerala. So Kerala is
Okay.
they are like very friendly people. We
Okay.
are neighbor states only, no? So they're
Uh-huh.
very friendly.
Yeah.
I was in very comfort zone in Kerala.
Okay.
After that, Karnataka.
Hmm.
When I went to Karnataka, there also people are very nice.
Okay.
But I'm just thinking about I felt like I'm getting some troubles because the language
Okay.
issue, the food issue.
Ah.
Then after I went to Maharashtra, crossing Maharashtra, that's it. Came out of from my comfort zone.
Okay.
Then I
So that means you have
realized,
faced many food issues.
yeah, food issues. The food
Okay.
issues means I'm a rice person.
Acha.
In my
Okay.
place, I used to eat rice 3
Okay.
times, or
Acha.
else idli, dosa, like rice related
Yeah.
food only. But in food only, I faced a little bit problem. But after that, it was normal.
Okay. So did you face any health issues?
No health. That
No?
thing only I felt very blessing. I feel
Okay.
very blessed because health issues still I didn't get any health issues. Even
Okay.
I used to drink local water only.
Okay.
I used to take bath in local water only, no hot
Okay.
water and all.
Mm-hmm.
I used to taste all local food one time.
Okay.
Even my 100 days food habit, like because I spend only 14,000, I
Yeah,
said
yeah,
no.
yeah.
The whole food habit will be like 5 times once heavy food.
Okay.
Like heavy food one time.
Okay.
And one time like bread and jam.
Okay.
One time fruits.
Okay.
Fruits are vegetables, local vegetables.
Yes.
And one time I used to prepare a boiled egg.
Okay.
Boiled egg, and I have small water heater also with me.
Okay.
So I used to boil the egg in
Acha.
like plug point. Like in that water heater I using in all shops.
Okay.
So I used to eat boiled egg like that.
Okay.
And one time I'm using, like wherever I'm getting kitchen, I used to prepare like 20 chapatis, 30 chapatis. Then I'll roll it. I'll keep it with me.
Okay.
So in morning and evening I used to eat that chapati sometime. That's it.
Fine. What's your next date?
Next state means
From Maharashtra to.
Maharashtra to Gujarat. Yeah, in
Okay.
Gujarat also the food, and there they are using curd in everywhere.
Okay.
That
Did you like curd?
Yeah, I love curd.
Okay.
In Gujarat I felt the language issue only, like
Okay.
because in Gujarat they are speaking something like different Hindi.
Yeah. Gujarati.
What in south side they are speaking different Hindi, in
Yes.
north side they are talking something different Hindi.
Okay.
Maybe
So
they
do you
are
know
no
Hindi?
native. No, I don't know.
So how
Hindi.
you can manage at that time?
Maximum I used to talk with like body language only.
Acha.
I'm sleeping, you know.
Okay.
And I have apps also like Google Translate and
Okay.
Speak and Translate.
Yeah.
That while I'm using that app also, it will be like very funny with local people.
Ah.
If I talk like this, okay, I'm eating. Then
Okay.
if I used to play to them, they used to hear like that, and they will talk like this, and I
Okay.
used to play like that.
Okay. So I think you have faced some good
I'm
experience.
yeah, always
Ah.
I'm connecting with more people.
Okay. So what's your favorite place among all the states?
All places are my favorites
Yours,
actually.
okay.
Because every places are like unique, right? Unique,
Yes.
their own things.
Yes.
So in that,
But there must be a one place, right? Which
I
you like the
love
most?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Why so?
because there I didn't talk with them.
Okay.
Actually they are speaking their local language.
Yeah.
but the local language is not that is not in Google Translate.
Okay.
So I used to talk like only the how to say, the body language only.
Yes.
I stayed in desert and stayed in desert for 4 days. Okay.
Okay.
The 4 days I stayed with them, it was like golden days in my life. Seriously,
Acha.
they had treated me like queen.
Oh.
They gave me food on time. They always there. Even I started getting leg pain also there.
Okay.
They started
Doing that.
this also.
Okay.
Yeah. they are very very kind people.
Okay.
After Rajasthan, I love Kashmir. Kashmiri
Kashmir.
people also very nice. Really.
Okay.
I had lot of experience from Kashmiri people.
Okay. So did you face any safety issues among all the states?
Safety issues, yeah, safety issues not only in north, south also is there.
Yeah.
Everywhere safety issues
Yeah, yeah,
there.
yeah.
But only thing, like in travel, I'm saying in travel, if we take a proper decision, then safety issues won't be coming.
Okay.
Like if you want to stay some places, you have to settle before 6 o'clock.
So what's your worst experience that you have faced?
Worst experience, I don't have much actually.
Okay.
Because wherever I'm going, I started analyze. I started I started knowing about the place and the people, everything.
Okay.
Then there are lot of things. Now we have social media, right?
Yes.
We have Facebook, Instagram, everything. So we have like if I'm going to one place,
Okay.
I have to check the post about how to say, related to that place.
Okay.
I will check the Instagram. Like if someone posted about the place,
Okay.
I have to check with them also.
Okay.
In Facebook also there are lot of groups. I will check with them also. In groups also I used to ask.
Okay.
Then I check in Google also. And before I'm entering the place in the neighbor state also, I used to ask what about
Yeah.
the place. Like that I'm started asking like that.
Okay.
These things I learned from the travelers.
Okay.
I
So-
met lot of travelers in Kerala. They only taught me this many things. Then I
Yes.
started the bus.
Okay.
Again I went.
Okay.
Like that.
So that
this-
lady changed your mindset.
yeah, not only that lady,
Huh.
I met lot of girls, lot of ladies.
Okay.
They are only my inspiration
Okay.
to continue my travel.
So any more examples?
Again, if I say example means same wherever I'm going, they used to ask the bag only.
Yes.
In Maharashtra, in Maharashtra only, I guess. In Maharashtra, I stayed in couchsurfing place.
Okay.
One day he took me to some local side roadside hotel.
Okay.
There I went. He went for buying something. I was sitting in the steps, nearby the steps.
Okay.
And one small girl, she's just 14 or 15 years old.
Okay.
She got married.
Acha.
She weared the married bangles
Child
and all.
marriage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she started asking me, "You are a traveler?"
Okay.
Then I said, "Yes, I'm a traveler."
Yes.
Then she asked me like, "You are very lucky, Didi."
Huh?
She started saying, I felt
Lucky,
like, oh,
okay.
why you are saying like that? Ra?" She said, she is staying very well. She said,
Okay.
I'm the first rank in my class.
Okay.
I want to do world tour.
Okay.
But see, now I got married. I
Yes.
can't do anything. That's
Yeah.
it, my life over. She said that. She's very young girl.
That is every girl's problem.
So in Kashmir, I met one lady. She
Okay.
never seen coconut tree in her life actually.
Okay.
Because in north side in Kashmir, they don't have a coconut tree, right?
Yes.
So she said like, I want to travel at least once in south,
Okay.
towards south, and I want to see the coconut tree.
Okay.
I was literally like, my God, for coconut tree also she has dream.
Yeah.
Okay, then that's nice. Then I said, okay, you come with me. Then she said, no, I have family. Once we got stuck with the family,
Yes.
we can't do anything.
Yes.
This is a girl's life. She started saying many stories.
Okay.
Wherever she's getting, wherever she felt very bad, she started saying that stories to me.
Yes.
That time also I felt okay, we should do this very properly, in proper way.
Okay.
Then actually before start my travel, I just checked how to start solo travel,
Acha.
what to do for solo travel,
Okay.
what are the things I have to carry for girls, what are the safety issues. I checked everywhere in YouTube. There is no video about this solo travel, female solo travel.
Okay. So what you carry with you?
Uh,
What are the arrangements that you carry?
It's a big thing
Big
actually.
thing that you can tell.
It's a big list actually.
Okay.
I missed my bag. My bag is in my couch, my host place.
Okay.
So from these girls only I got inspired, and I started this very seriously, and I'm doing my next 150 days travel. That's it.
That means you told now that you carry a tent and all. So the arrangements I'm
Okay,
asking
for
you.
safety wise
Yeah,
you are
yeah, yeah.
asking. Okay. Things I'm carrying maximum for safety wise, people used to say pepper spray and these things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But if you buy pepper spray, you have to know how to use that. Okay.
Yes.
One of my friends, she didn't use like this. She did like this to
Okay,
her
the
face
pepper
only.
spray.
Yeah.
Okay.
So whatever you are buying, whatever you are doing for safety issues, it should not affect you.
Yes.
So you have to carry some safety things if you want. But I didn't carry anything,
Okay.
because always I'm conscious about where I am here, where
Yes.
the people who I'm surrounding by.
Yes.
I'm always conscious in that.
Okay. So did you went to forest areas?
Yeah, I had been in forest in Rishikesh.
Okay. So how is the experience?
Yeah, it was good. Actually, I stayed in one forest in Tamil Nadu, in my place. There I
Okay.
stayed for 1 month, around 1 month.
Okay.
First I went for work only.
Hmm.
It was like work only, but due to lockdown, I didn't come out. Actually, I can't come out
So you
from
you
the
are stuck
forest.
there.
I got
Okay.
stuck inside the forest.
Okay.
But it was very good. I started seeing all animals. I saw all animals. Always the waterfall sound, and always the insect sound.
Hmm.
The whole night no power, and inside the house I stayed in tent only.
So you didn't feel fear?
No, first
No.
2 days it was not comfortable actually. I
Okay.
felt not comfortable first 2 days.
Okay.
But after that it was normal.
Okay. So apart from traveling, what you will do?
Apart from now I'm becoming a YouTuber also.
Yeah.
I have my own channel. YouTube
Even you are
channel.
having a 20K plus subscribers, right?
Yeah, 23K plus
Yes.
I guess. So
So why you have started the channel? That means how you get that idea to start a
exactly.
channel. Yes.
I told you no, first
Hmm.
before starting travel I
Yes.
started checking videos about the
Okay.
solo travel.
Okay.
There is no proper video for solo travel.
Okay.
So what I did, okay, now in my channel, if you check my channel,
Hmm.
there is solo travel
Yes.
tips only. Always I'm giving the solo travel tips for especially female.
Okay.
If you say the playlist, complete playlist, you will start solo travel very easy.
Okay.
Like that I started doing, because from my experience only I'm making videos and posting.
Okay. So that's you want to become as an inspiration?
Not inspiration,
Then?
like I want more girls to start the travel. That's it.
Okay. So did you get suggestions to anyone? Suggestions was giving advice.
No advice. No advice. If you want to start solo travel,
Yes.
you have to trust yourself first.
Yes.
You have to trust yourself. Don't trust anyone. You have to trust yourself.
Okay.
If you trust yourself only, you can do whatever you want. At
Yes.
least if you trust yourself only, you can say to your parent, I want to
Yes.
do travel.
Yes.
Because lot of girls, they want to do travel. Like if we ask like why you want to do travel, means they don't know.
Yes.
Simply they said,
They have no
okay, I don't know,
answer.
no answer.
Ah.
That's it. So if you, like many girls, they are saying like my parents don't allow
Yeah.
me to travel like that. What I did, I told my parent why I like travel. From
What you
travel,
said?
what I'm getting from my travel, I
Yes.
started saying this. Then only they realized, they accepted.
Okay. So what you said to your mother?
I told in starting time I told
Yeah,
the
the story.
story.
Tell again now.
Yeah, when I was asking my mom, she said no only, right? After
Ah.
that I told her like why I like travel.
Hmm.
I want to do travel because I started saying stories.
Okay.
Once we go to this place, we are like group.
Yes.
But there one grandma started talking about the place, but the group, they don't like to hear the stories, but I
Yes.
want to hear the story.
Yes.
So that's why if I go alone, I can hear the story.
Yes.
I can stay with her at least for one day and explore many things.
Yes.
So whatever I like, I'm not satisfied with the group travel.
Okay.
Like if I want to go today, if I ask someone, if they are not ready, it
Yeah.
won't be good. Like
Yes.
I cannot do, right?
So
That's
if
why
you
I
want to do
solo
something,
travel.
we have to do alone.
Yeah, it's kind of independent
Yes.
traveler like that.
Okay. So
So-
how many days you had it?
My first solo travel is 100 days.
Okay, so what is your next plan?
Now I started 150 days solo travel.
Okay.
150 days solo travel. I started from Andhra. Now I am in Andhra.
Yeah.
So after that I'll go to Orissa.
Okay.
And towards Chhattisgarh, West Bengal.
Okay.
And complete northeast.
Okay.
And again I will come back Lucknow, the Bihar, that side. That's it.
Okay.
Already
So
I
any more
explored
plans?
12 states.
Any more plans?
After this I will go to world tour. That's
World
it.
tour. Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to explore the world.
Yeah.
Okay.
The main thing I want to say something, like when I start my travel, I don't have budget with me. I started like only I had 4,500 rupees with me.
Okay.
So after I started, I spent that 4,500 rupees in 15 days.
Okay.
After that, I don't have money.
So how
After
do you get
that,
the money after that?
my friends, some of my friends helped me,
Okay.
but that also like rotation only I did. After that, I started using skills by staying
Yes.
free and food like this.
Yes.
Then when I reached Kashmir,
Hmm.
that time also I didn't have any single rupee with me.
Okay.
So I got stuck in Kashmir.
Okay.
So that time I posted one video in YouTube, like
Okay.
one 15 seconds video.
Okay.
That also I don't like. I didn't like to post that video, but
Okay.
some travelers I met in Kashmir, they said you are doing great job.
Hmm.
People are there to supporting you.
Yes.
You post one small video, at least you need support. Post
Yes.
like that. Then in half mind only, like I posting like I got stuck in Kashmir.
Okay.
Like I want some financial support to continue my travel. Today is my
Okay.
66th day. Yeah, exactly 66th day.
Okay.
So balance 34 days I have to survive. So
Okay.
kindly support me.
Okay.
Then after
So what's the
that,
response?
yeah, after that within like around half an hour, within 20 minutes to half an hour, like in Kashmir only postpaid only working. My SIM
Okay.
is prepaid, so I didn't get any message
Yes.
from bank.
Yes.
So I went on ATM. I went to ATM and I checked it.
Okay.
But 6,000 rupees was there.
Okay.
I got 6,000 rupees.
Okay.
In that 6,000 rupees, 3 people they sent.
Okay.
One is boy and 2 people are girls.
Okay.
The girls, one is from my native, one is from Chennai.
Okay.
They mentioned one line, actually, sister, you are living in my dream.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will do more OT also. Overtime also I am doing for
Yeah.
you. Don't worry, you start your travel. I will whatever you want, you tell me.
Okay.
I will support you. I will give
Okay.
financial support. She
Fine.
sent the message and she sent money also.
Okay,
She's
that's
from
very
village.
great actually. Okay.
The-
So
literally I
actually many
started
girls have the
crying.
dream, right?
Yeah.
So you are doing that. That's so great.
I got financially support from my supporters, not supporters, my family. Almost they are my family.
Okay. So,
So-
you're treating all the members as your family.
Yeah.
That's too great.
In my YouTube, each and every subscribers are my family only. They started supporting me now.
Okay.
So now also they are started supporting me by financial things also,
Okay.
and I'm doing my travel. That's it.
Okay. So when you're going to do world tour?
Soon.
Soon. Okay.
Because of the COVID only, we got stuck inside.
Yeah.
After that, definitely I will
So
go.
during COVID, can you face any bad experiences?
There are a lot of places because I started in the pandemic situation
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
The December 2020 only I started
Yes.
my first solo travel.
Yes.
December 2022, March 2021.
Lockdown days.
Yeah, lockdown days only I
Yeah.
started my travel. In that time also, but wherever I was staying, the people they didn't ask me any questions.
Okay.
Like, are you suffered already? Where you have been? Like, how you are safety? Like that, they didn't ask any questions. All are
Okay.
local peoples.
Okay.
They're really kind, and lot of places they put curfew.
Yes. Yes.
They put curfew, and lot of problems came actually. Like after 6 o'clock, we should not go. Like the lockdown started like
Yes.
that. Yeah,
Okay. So that was a good experience. Yeah, bad.
it's a good experience.
Good
only.
experience.
Like
Okay.
if I get any bad experience, I will take it as a lesson only. Like I should
Okay.
not do that
Yeah.
again.
Yes.
So there is no bad experience.
Okay. So what message you want to give to the viewers?
For solo travel, you need self confidence and self motivation, because if you do travel solo, no one will be there with you. Okay, so you have to more confident. Self confidence is important. And something you got stuck there, something negative happened, don't worry, it happened to everyone. It not only happened to you. Okay, you just trust that it happened to everyone. you have to cross that and you have to step on. Don't give up in solo travel first. And self motivation is very very important in solo travel, because no one will be there to motivate you. You have to motivate yourself. So this self motivation, self confidence, and trust yourself, this three is
Okay.
very important for solo travel. And I want our girls want to I want my girls to start solo travel. That's
Okay.
it.
So anyways, thank you so much, Sindhu, for coming to our studio.
Thank
So anyways,
you.
all the best your world tour also.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. చూసారు కదండి, ఇది రోజు మన ఏఎంపీఎం టాక్ షో. నెక్స్ట్ ఒక సమయం ఉంటుంది నీలిమ. అందరికీ స్ట్రైట్ యూన్ కీప్ స్మైలింగ్. బాయ్.